What's good, everybody? Welcome to Money Moves. It's a brand new episode, and we're going to talk about some of the biggest news that came out today about crypto. I found an interesting article on Insider, and it's about Coinbase. So, Coinbase warns users could lose their crypto holdings if the company goes bankrupt. Wow, it's amazing how Coinbase became was one of the premier crypto exchanges, and now they're on the verge of bankruptcy. So let's see what's going on with Coinbase. So Coinbase said its users' crypto assets could become company property if it went bankrupt. So first of all, before we dive in to anybody that's watching this, if you have any crypto on an exchange, please remove it and put it into your digital wallet or put it into a cold storage just for your own good, because instances like this where it could become property of the exchanges if they go bankrupt or if they were to get hacked. So let's continue on. So the company added the disclosure for the first time in its earnings report Tuesday. Its CEO said shortly afterwards that users' funds were safe and were at no risk of bankruptcy. So yeah, at no risk, yeah, until it hits the fan. So Coinbase, one of the largest crypto currency exchanges, said its users might lose access to their holdings if the company ever went bankrupt. So they went from literally one of the premier exchanges. You would see their ads all over. You would see it on Super Bowl ads, and now they're on the verge of bankruptcy. Incredible how volatile the economy is and crypto industry is. So the disclosure was included in the company's first quarter earnings report, and that was the first time the risk factor was mentioned. It also noted that Coinbase held 256 billion in fiat currencies and virtual coins. Because custodially held crypto assets may be considered to be the property of a bankruptcy estate. In the event of a bankruptcy, the crypto assets we hold in custody on behalf of our customers could be subject to bankruptcy proceedings, and such customers could be treated as our general unsecured creditors, the company said. So I'm telling you, if you have any crypto on any exchange, please put it into your digital wallet or cold storage, because right now it's just crazy how crypto is when it comes to this volatility, and it's just showing right now that a lot of the exchanges are becoming subjects to the volatility. That means users will lose access to their balances because they will become Coinbase's property. So that is not yours anymore, according to Coinbase, if it were to go bankrupt. It's a different scenario from traditional investments. Many bank accounts, including checking and savings, are insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corp for up to $250,000 per account if the bank goes under, while the Securities Investor Protection Corp helps if a broker or dealer goes bankrupt. So it right here is saying that it doesn't fall into that. And so let's read along. Crypto enthusiasts have long heralded the decentralized movement as, in part, a way to give people complete control and ownership of their finances. That's only the case for those who physically store the cryptocurrencies in personal wallets, as opposed to a platform like Coinbase. Coinbase does offer a self-custody wallet called Coinbase Wallet. So just this news right here is going to discourage thousands of people from wanting to join the platform to buy crypto. So this is amazing how with this report, they're literally shooting themselves in the foot at the same time that came out on Tuesday. So let me know in the comments below. Are you on Coinbase? Are you on another exchange? Will you ever consider buying it on Coinbase? Please let me know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm just trying to bring out some of the bring some of the headlines when it comes to all things money, and this really caught my eye because Coinbase is a juggernaut, and now they're on the verge of bankruptcy. It's a shocker, just when we think of volatility in the crypto, you just think of the coins going up and down, up and down. So and many believe that 99% of these cryptocurrencies are not going to make it, and that's how a lot of people feel. But I didn't really see this when it came to Coinbase on the verge of bankruptcy so early too. So let's read along and see what else the article says. So following the earnings report, which sent the company's stock plummeting more than 23%, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong said there's no risk of bankruptcy right now. So, so as you can see, it's saying right now, but is there red flags that are they seeing that it's a telltale sign that the end is inevitable? And they literally lost almost a quarter of their stock. And I think this is going to be just one of the first dominoes to fall right now because of how bad things are kind of when it comes to all things money. We may be seeing when it comes to the stock market and crypto how they're a little more intertwined than some people believe to be. That just a lot of people are starting to speculate that. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think about Coinbase, and let's go along on the article. On Twitter Tuesday night, he attempted to reassure users that their funds were safe and apologized for not being more forthright with communicating this risk when it was added. He said the company included the disclosure because the rules recently set by the Securities and Exchange Commission. So is it something that, that they know that, hey, we just got to put it in there, and just because under the rules that they have to for Securities and Exchange Commission, or is it more of a something of that they know the writing's on the wall, and not only that the rules require that they add it, when things hit the fan, they can always point back and say, hey, we give you a heads up. And also too, I don't believe that they actually thought the repercussions were going to be this severe, because they lost 23% of their stock so quick. And not only that, I believe they're going to lose a lot of people from wanting to do business just because of that seed was planted in their head that, hey, if you leave any type of crypto on our exchange and we go belly up, thank you for your donation. That is now our property. And so it's going to deter a lot of people, and they're going to lose money. I have a feeling there's going to be layoffs to come. And yeah, it is crazy. So let's go along and read what else it says. I think it's only one more paragraph. So this disclosure makes sense in that these legal protections have not been tested in court for crypto assets specifically, and it's possible, however unlikely, that a court would decide to consider customer assets as part of the company in a bankruptcy proceeding, even if it's harmed customers, Armstrong said. So that is crazy that Coinbase says this comments about bankruptcy, their stock plummets, and I think people are going to scatter like roaches away from there. And it's incredible. The news had just been nuts. So we're going to go along to another article that is crazy as well. So CBS News, stablecoins Luna and TerraUSD add fuel to the cryptocurrency fire. So as you could probably have seen just from the news, that the crypto world is just going nuts and how it's been tanking along with the stock market. So let's read the article and see what it says. So the bloodbath in cryptocurrencies continued Thursday when the price of two benchmark stablecoins sank below $1, adding fire to a rout that has seen the price of Bitcoin fall to its lowest level in more than a year. Two of the most sturdy tokens in the cryptocurrency world fell below their benchmark this week, and that fueled a digital currency sell-off Thursday, leading to a price drop in Bitcoin, Ether, and Solana. Bitcoin fell as low as $26,513 Thursday, down 8% from Wednesday. Ripple fell 19% to 38 cents. Ether is down 14% to 1,981, and those declines began soon after the prices of Terra USD and Luna dropped below $1. Wow. So it's hurting bad right now. The volatility is getting real. How much these cryptocurrencies are just dropping. And people need to remember that stable coins are correlated to the dollar. So let's read along the article, and I'm sure they're going to explain on the characteristics of a stable coin. So TerraUSD and Luna are known in crypto circles as stable coins, which means their value is tied to a commodity or currency. In this case, Terra and Luna have been pegged to the US dollar. There we go. Meaning every Luna is supposed to be worth $1. Some investors have grown to depend on stable coins like Luna because it shields their money from the wild swings typical of many cryptocurrencies. While there are many stable coins, Terra, Luna are the two biggest and most popular, which investors with market caps of 4.2 billion and 60 million respectively. That's a lot of cash right there in that stablecoin industry. And as more investors have expected risky crypto markets in recent weeks, Luna and Terra fell to 99 cents on Monday, and Luna fell below $1 Wednesday night. Both tokens continue to trade below $1 on Thursday. And that is not good news. So as we're going to see, so the sell-offs Thursday have helped the crypto market lose almost 1 trillion in value over the past month, Forbes reported. It also means some investors who were once gung-ho on crypto have sold their holdings for a loss. So we are seeing a mass selling right now of cryptocurrencies, and these stable coins, which was supposed to be pillars, are taking a hit. So let me know in the comments below if you have any Luna or Terra USD, and if you've been impacted by this. You know, are you still a believer that these stable coins are actually going to bounce back and be, be correlated to the US dollar? Let me know in the comments below. This is Money Moves. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and let's read along and see what else the article says. So Luna and Terra are just the latest reason why crypto prices have fallen sharply this month. Rising interest rates, volatile equity markets have also raised investor concerns about the broader U.S. economy, spurring some to dump their digital currencies. And I believe that's real. A lot of these big whales are starting to get a little shaky, and those diamond hands that they were supposed to be having are falling through. So many investors have ditched their crypto holdings because they realize the tokens are just as volatile as any other assets. And Mo Vela, co-founder of cryptocurrency Unicoin, the original lure of crypto being decentralized and free from the government regulation has lost some of its luster, while more recent investors are more likely to cut their losses when crypto slump, he said. The average investor around the world still seek some semblance of security in their investments, some comfort, some predictability. Vela told CBS Money Watch, "I don't know how you can call yourself stable when you dropped in value 50% over the year." So, man, big news in the crypto world. Man, Coinbase, it's just their stocks plummeting, and if they go bankrupt, if you have any crypto on their exchange, that's theirs. And also, so the stable coin Luna and Terra USD, it's just plummeting, and it's below $1, and it's showing that it's not stable. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this. You know, I'm just trying to bring to you guys some of the biggest articles that I come across. This is Money Moves. We try to be focused on all things money and trying to grow together. So thank you for tuning in. Like, subscribe, share, comment below. Thank you. Peace.